morning to all of you. Welcome to my class. My name is Mangesh Joshi and I am going to teach you maths in general right now. First we will see the place value, math basics. Math basics. Okay. First we will see the place value and face value concept. Place value and face value. On this topic, you will be asked in examination the question like this: find the place value and face value of the given digit in given number. Okay. Suppose I will give the find out the place value and face value of 6 in 6257. How you can find out? Solution to this one is like this: face value of 6 equal to 6 and place value here of this digit 6 equal to 6 into 1000 equal to 6000. So please keep in mind, always face value will be equal to the digit itself. It remains same as the digit. Here face value of this digit 6 is same as the digit 6. This 2 is 2, this 5 is 5 and this 7 is equal to the 7. But place value changes according to the place of each digit in the given number. How you will find out this place value of 6 equal to 6 into 1000? Why I wrote 6 into 1000? As the digit 6 is at the 1000 place, that's why I wrote here 1000 equal to 6000. Okay. This 2 is at the 100 place, I can write down here the place value of 2 equal to 2 into 100 is equal to 200. Okay. After that, if you will be asked to find out the place value of this 5 equal to, what will come? 5 into 10, as the digit 5 is at the 10th place, so equal to 50. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. And about this 7, you can write down here 7 is equal to 7 into 1 is equal to 7. And what about the face value? I told you already that about this face value of 2 equal to 2. Okay. About this 5, place value of this 5 equal to 5. It doesn't change, means it remains same as the digit. About this 7 is equal to 7. Okay. Can you tell me at which place place value and face value remain same? It is at the unit place. Okay. Then the next question will be about the expanded form. I will tell you what is the expanded form of the given number. Expanded form of the given number. in the examination you will be asked the question like this: write down the expanded form of any number. Suppose you will be given this number and you will have to write down the expanded form of this number. How you will be able to write out this one? You should know the places of the each and every digit. This is at the unit place, this is at the tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is at 10,000, this is at lakhs. So we can write this number as a 3,25,479. Okay. So here expanded form equal to 3 into lakh plus about this 2 into 10,000 plus about this 5 is at the 1000 place, that's why I wrote here 5 into 1000. About this 4 into 100 plus this 7 into 10 plus this 9 into 1. This is known as the expanded form of this number. Okay. Then the question you will be asked in examination like this: algebraic addition. Here will be the algebraic equation m plus 7 is equal to 17, and you will have to find out the value of this m. How you will be able to find out this? By transposing rule, m is equal to 17 minus 7, means as this is 7 here, to the left side of this right equal to sign, if I will put to this side, it will become minus, that will be equal to 10. We can rectify this or cross check this by putting the value of this m in this equation. So here 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. This is okay, this is correct. That's why we found out this value of this m is equal to 10 correctly. Then the next question is: fraction to decimal. How you will have to convert the fraction into decimal. The question you will be asked in examination like this: 2 upon 3. Convert this fraction to decimal. How you will be able to convert this one? By dividing 2 upon 3, that is 2 divided by 3. As this 2 is smaller than 3, we will put here 0 point. Then 0 here is 2. We will put here 0 here. And then 20 divided by 3 equal to 6. That will be equal to 18. 3 6 are 18. So that will be equal to 2. We will put again 0 over here, as this 2 is less than 3. That will be equal to minus 18 equal to again 2. This will become equal to, that is 2 upon 3 equal to 0.66. Did you get this? This is known as, we are converting fraction into decimal. Okay. So the next question is, which of the following number is exactly divisible by 2, 3 and 5? The question like this: which of following number is exactly divisible by 2, 3 and 5. How you will be able to find out this one? Suppose you will be given the numbers 230, second 690, third 790 and fourth 835. What would be your answer? What would be your answer? You have to find out the LCM of this number first. 2 is equal to 2 into 1, 3 is equal to 3 into 1, and this 5 is equal to 5 into 1. LCM you have to find out, that will be equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay, can you see here 30 in this number? No. So the multiple of this 30 from these numbers will be a number which will be exactly divisible by this 2, 3 and 5. That is equal to the 690. This will be your answer. Okay, thank you.